Hi guys, let's see how to copy formats in Google Sheets. So let's say in this column there is a different kind of format and I want to copy this format in this column. So for that, just select this column and just click on this paint format and it will be selected. Now when you will click it on any column, this format will be painted here. Please note that you can use it only once. If you want to use it on different columns, you have to click on it again and again and use it. Okay. You can also use it in same workbook, and if there are multiple sheets here, then you can copy this paint format and just paste it in the different pages of the Google Sheet, same workbook. Also, it copies the conditional formatting. So let's say in this column there is a conditional formatting done, which says that if the value is less than 6, it becomes light green. So if we want to paste this conditional formatting to another column, then just select it, click on the paint format and just click on that column and see the conditional formatting is done. So this is how you can paint format using Format Painter tool in Google Sheets. Thanks for watching. Please